In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your wish list on Amazon. Whether you've saved items for later, you're planning gifts, or you're trying to find a list that a friend shared with you, knowing exactly where to look on Amazon can save you a lot of time and frustration. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through finding both your own wish lists and any shared wish lists, using the standard Amazon website on a computer. First, open your web browser and go to the Amazon homepage. Before you can see any of your lists, you need to be logged in. If you're not already signed in, click the sign in option near the top right and enter your usual login details. Once you are successfully logged in, you'll notice a section at the top right labeled Account and Lists. Move your mouse over Account and Lists. Don't click right away, just hover over it. A large drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, look for the option labeled Account and click on it. This will take you to your main account page. On the account page, you'll see different sections laid out as tiles or boxes, each leading to a different part of your account. Take a moment to scan through these tiles until you find the one called Your Lists. It may sit near other options like orders or recommendations. Go ahead and click Your Lists. Now you're on the main lists page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel that contains all of the lists associated with your account. This can include your default wish list, shopping lists, gift lists, or any custom lists you've created. Scroll through this panel until you find the specific wish list you're looking for. Once you see it, click on the name of that list. When you select the list, the contents will appear on the right side of the page. Here you can scroll through all the items you've added, check details like prices and availability, and manage the list by adding or removing products as needed. If instead you're trying to find a shared wish list, such as one created by a friend, look toward the top of the same page for a tab labeled Your Friends. Click on Your Friends, and Amazon will display any lists that have been shared with you. From there, select the shared wish list you want to view, and its items will appear just like your own lists. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to find your wish list on Amazon and how to access shared lists from friends, or from one simple place in your account.